Hi everyone! Have a great day sa inyong lahat. Yes, we are having fun with our desert safari tour. So ayan, this is how I spend my day off here in Dubai. It's so enjoying, so much fun. The experience is really extreme. Roller coaster in the desert, dawn bashing. Sobrang nai-enjoy, nakakahilo. Sobra yung hiyawan namin dito, talagang wag ninyong palampasin guys pag nagde-desert safari kayo. This is one of the most exciting activities when you're doing the desert safari. Nakakahilo siya, talagang mai-enjoy kayo guys. Huwag ninyong palampasin pag nagda-dawn kayo, nag-desert safari kayo dito. So yan lang yan guys, yung mga trip namin, day off namin. So usually maganda dito sa magdi-desert safari pag malapit na yung winter, yung pa-change weather na siya, yung from summer to winter to summer. So yun yung pinaka magandang timing para mag-dawn bashing. Sobrang na-enjoy talaga guys. Huwag ninyong palampasin. And thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe. Share na din. And yeah, God bless you all. Thank you for watching.